Hi, my name is Anupam Singhi. I am the Chief Executive Officer of William O'Neill India. MarketSmith journey started in 2016, and today we are 4 year old. We are celebrating our fourth anniversary. It is hard to believe that we have already completed 4 years. Still feels like we are started recently. Um, while the product development started in 2016, uh, the real journey started in 2013 when William O'Neill decided to set up its operations in India. I was the first employee, and the first month I spent in Los Angeles office where I met the team, learned about the philosophy, product, technology, and the canceling method. But the real special memory of that trip was meeting Bill O'Neill. By that time, Bill already passed on the baton to the next generation. He rarely visited office, so it was an honor when he came all the way to office to meet me. He was so gracious and humble, and we spent almost an hour discussing various topics, and also including the vision for India. But what really struck me about that meeting was his passion about helping people learn investing to achieve financial freedom. He also mentioned about his admiration for Indians, where we value education, love for numbers, and we like to save. India has very good saving rates, but he was perplexed that in spite of all of that, the participation by retail investors was still very low. And he mentioned that if we can solve that problem and help people in India to learn about investing and able to achieve the financial independence. Um, so the real seeds were actually sown for MarketSmith India at that time. Of course, at that time, our priority and our mission was to set up our operations in India, to build the ecosystem so that we can serve all our global companies. In a very short time, we were able to hire a very strong team, almost 150 plus people, covering data research, equity research, software and product development, quant, and the data science team. Um, and once we established our operation and learned and matured in our operation, it was a natural progression for us to bring our global assets, global products to Indian investor. Um, so when we started the development of product, we were very clear that we want to keep the spirit and the design, same design and same spirit, which Bill developed originally. But at the same time, we wanted to ensure that we localize the product in such a way that it is useful for both a new investor and a sophisticated investor. Um, in these 4 years, team has worked tirelessly, and we have built many feature sets, many great inventions in the product. Also, certain new innovation which and product lines which are not present in our global products like AlgoSmith and Portfolio Smith. So I'm really proud of what we have achieved in these 4 years, and um, I would like to thank all our customers, partners, the entire MarketSmith India team, and whole uh, William O'Neill family for achieving this important milestone. Um, we at MarketSmith are looking forward to continually um, improve our products and help investor learn investing and achieve financial independence. Thank you.